How to delete all Facebook shared posts. So if you want to delete all of your Facebook shared posts, then you just need to simply open up your Facebook application and then go with the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Now scroll down, go with settings and privacy, tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with the activity log option. Tap on activity log and then go with your Facebook activity. Scroll down, tap on post and then go with your post, photos and videos. So once you're here, you can see all of your shared posts from here. So if you want to delete all of your Facebook posts all at once, then you just need to simply tap on all, which is here on the upper left, and then tap on recycle bin or trash, which is on the bottom, and all of your posts will be deleted or removed. But if you want to delete a single photo, then go with the right side of that, which has that three dots icon, tap on move to bin, and that single picture will be removed. So that's how you can delete all of your Facebook shared posts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.